Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. We have learnt a part of this dua. Now we'll take the remaining part. وَأَعُوذُ بِكَ مِنْ شَرِّ مَا فِي هَذِهِ اللَّيْلَةِ وَشَرِّ مَا بَعْدَهَا. So that's the other side of it. وَأَعُوذُ, I seek refuge, bika, in you. Min is from, min sharri, from the evil. Ma, of what? Fi is in, hadihi is this, al-layla, fi hadihi layla, in this night, wa sharri, and the evil of ma, of what? Ba'da, after ha, her, or after it. So I seek refuge, a'udhu bika, and I seek refuge in you, min sharri, from the evil of ma fi hadhihi layla, of what is in this night, wa sharri ma ba'daha, and the evil of what is following it, after it. Okay. O my Rabb, I seek refuge in you from every evil, whether it harms me in this world, such as illness, worries, troubles, or the evil which causes a loss in the hereafter, such as negligence in worship or committing sins. And after asking Allah, we should plan to stay away from bad things, friends, and habits in this night and after it. Analyze and memorize. So we have two symmetric things, and in each we have khair khair and shar shar. So we have Rabbi as'aluka khayra ma fi hadhihi al-layla wa khayra ma ba'daha wa a'udhu bika min sharri ma fi hadhihi al-layla wa sharri ma ba'daha. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, and understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.